not even attached. Interesting. Okay, so you see valve covers off. If you actually look in here, you can see there's like these little rockers on all of them, and actually cylinder 1 is missing them. You can see it. Now let's pull those pieces out. Actually, there's one. I don't know if you can see back there, but the valve is actually stuck down. One of the intake valves. Because, oh, there's one. Anything else? Another little piece there. Okay. So, those guys have broken off. These. Huh. 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 So they've taken parts out. This hole, this guide, this guide, this guide are there. This guide is missing. Both the bolts are missing. The nut's even loose. I was gonna pull the head apart and stuff like that because I found the that plate missing, those rockers and everything, but then I totally forgot that thought I had dirt on my face. Anyway, I got these bags of fucking spare 10-12 parts, which I totally forgot that I fucking had. So, in reality, I have another rocker. I have another rocker. I have these other two little rockers. The lowers. So I got the lowers and the uppers. And stupid plate we're missing. Got. I also have a couple of used hardware bolts, but I also have brand new ones from BMW. These little fuckers. Sometimes they're hard to get, but yeah, I think we're gonna just change that up. I think we'll just try and slap on those parts that are broken and missing, and maybe send it. So the 08 has no compression. This is typical for N12. Dropping valve seats. Gonna tear it all back down again. Take the valve cover off, intake manifold, pop out the timing tensioner, gotta drain the oil and the coolant, drop everything, and we're gonna yank the head out. We're gonna see. It's always an adventure with every Mini. Yeah. service mode. Got the front end pulled out, separated the fenders from the flares, bumper off, all the bolts in the front, both sides all off. Now it's like so much more room to work on stuff. Can access the bracket over here for the cylinder head, taking that out. So I just got to remove off some more of these hoses, pull the harness off and out the way, disconnect the manifold, and then yeah, we'll see what else we got to disconnect, and then it's basically just zip this off. It doesn't take too long. Okay, let's see.
Crazy.
Cylinder head is off. Looks pretty. Pistons are okay, it's just a lot of carbon buildup. So much carbon buildup. I have to clean that all out. There's a cylinder head. There's the cylinder head.